Hey guys, RB the Garden Nanny. I have some potatoes that I had left over from my potato harvest, and these are the small Yukon Gold potatoes. They were very, very small, almost as small as an egg. And I wanted to make some roasted potatoes with these, and I have the perfect recipe. Basically, all I've done was cut the bigger ones in half, cut the other ones into thirds, and I'm going to just put a little grapeseed oil. This is from Simply Nature, Aldi, and I'm just going to pour a little bit in. It has a high smoke point, so it's about a tablespoon. And I'm going to include some garlic powder and some onion powder. I'm just going to sprinkle that right on top, as well as the onion powder. This is a simple recipe. I'm going to put down my phone and put in some pepper. I'm going to also add some crushed rosemary. Sprinkle that in. And I'm going to mix that together with my hands. I usually use this plant-based butter, which is so good. I love this butter, but I have already put oil in it, and I really don't think I need any butter, but feel free to add butter if you like. It can be vegan butter or your own, so you make that choice. I am going to now put this on top here on this baking sheet. Spread it around. My husband came in and said, "Oh, those potatoes look so nice and yellow." And I was like, yes, they're from my garden. It's so nice when you can just make stuff from your own garden. And this is, like I said, the leftovers of, I had a harvest of over 100 potatoes. And this was the last of the bunch. So it's going to go in at 425 for about, I'm going to put it in for at least 40 minutes. I want it to be really nice and crispy. Setting it for 40 minutes. There we go. All right, my potatoes should be done. Let's see what I got here. All right, they look delicious. This is a time to put on the salt. I have learned that you want to wait until you're done with your cooking. Otherwise, putting it on early might dry out the potatoes. So now is the time to put that on. And I'm going to move that around in the salt and give it a taste. It turned out nice and crispy. So let me try it now. My husband is very excited about something. Okay, let me try one. It's nice and crispy, and what I love is inside it's nice and creamy. I love these Yukon Gold potatoes. I think these are the only, it's so hot, I'm putting it down. These are the only ones that I'm going to ever do. They are so crispy on the outside and creamy on the inside. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. You know, I would love to have some Chick-fil-A sauce. The sauce is very good, but so high in calories. I am just gonna do my regular Primal Kitchen ketchup, organic and unsweetened. It is very good and it is very low in calories. If you're trying to watch that, this is a very good brand. You can find it online or you can find it in grocery stores. I found mine in my local Deerbergs. So yeah, check your grocery store and see. It says keto, paleo, no high fructose corn syrup, and no stevia. I love this very, very much. And what else? I wanted to share one last thing. If you don't know about this app, it tells you everything that is in your food that you're purchasing at the grocery store. And all you have to do is the app is free. I will put the app on the screen so that you can see it. If you're concerned about that type of stuff, if you want to know what's in your food, they give it a score. It'll tell you if it's poor, if it's bad, if it's, all you, like for instance, this barcode, when you open up the ad, you just click the barcode and it will tell you that it's bad, poor, good, or excellent. This is excellent, this Primal Kitchen. So if you're interested in just knowing what's in your food, it'll also give you suggestions. If it says that it's poor, if it says that your ketchup is poor, it will give you suggestions on other ketchups that have a better score. So it's a free app. I love it, and I would love to pass it on to people who are interested in their health as far as knowing exactly what's in your food and making some great choices. So that is it for today. I will see you all in the next video and hope you try this recipe. It is delicious. Thanks guys for watching.